Merry Christmas! Welcome to my home. Come on in. Rise and shine, Buttercup. It's Vlogmas Day number 3. Let's get this party started. Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Okay, so I'm getting ready. I am rushing around this morning. I have to be ready. Keith will be here around 11, so I'm getting ready and I'll be back in a bit. I'll fix my hair and then we will do the advent calendars. Now I'm probably gonna get behind, and last night I totally forgot the chocolates. That's okay though. We can just, you know, catch up when I get back. Be back in a bit. All right, so I have on my makeup and I put on this jumpsuit. It's really comfortable for the flight, and I'm still packing, you guys. I'm the worst packer in the world. I thought about vlogging packing, but you don't want to see that mess. I mean, I am a terrible packer. But anyway, this video is going to be really short and sweet today because we do have to get going. But I wanted to tell you guys that the products from the advent calendars, I am going to do full reviews on them so you guys will know what products that I would suggest and not just open it up every day. So I definitely want to share that with you guys. So I just want to say that the e.l.f. hydration cream is amazing, and then also the Charlotte Tilbury, it's in one of these bags. The Charlotte Tilbury, it's like a cleanser balm, amazing. So when I get home, I am going to, when I have opened up quite a few drawers, like at the end of each week, I'm gonna go over the products with you guys and tell you the ones that I suggest. So we're not just gonna open advent calendars. We're gonna, yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys what I suggest. But anyway, you guys, it's a mess in here as always. And there's my suitcase. So I'm about to close it up, and Keith is going to be here in just a bit, but I did write down a few things that I wanted to share with you guys. Whew, Lord. Okay, so I was going to tell you guys we're going to go do a couple of shows when we're in Vegas. I'll be doing my outfit of the day, and I'll show you guys my outfit of the day before I leave here. And I will show you my luggage. It's stress-free. No Louis Vuitton, nothing like that, you guys. I can't live that kind of life when we travel. I mean, I would never spend a lot of money on luggage because I don't want to have to worry about it. But last time we were in Vegas, we saw Britney Spears. And a lot of the shows I really wanted to see are already sold out, and this is a spur-of-the-moment thing. But we're gonna see a Cirque du Soleil to the music of Michael Jackson, which that's exciting to me because I love Michael Jackson's music. And oh, we're gonna see a play, Menopause, and it's supposed to be hilarious. It's like a comedy. So yeah, all right, you guys. And oh yeah, I knew there was something really important. Okay, so Monday, I'm going to, on my video Monday, I'm gonna start the giveaway for the little Christmas gnome because I want whoever wins it to be able to enjoy it during Christmas. So we're gonna do that Monday. I'll do the giveaway Wednesday. We're gonna do one giveaway a week, you guys. Yeah, so I'm not really sure what the next giveaway is. I have quite a few things upstairs that I've saved for you guys. So we're gonna do that. So Monday, you guys, tune in and yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm trying to hurry. That was the main thing. Oh, and it won't be long till we get to 5,000. I was really hoping to get to 5,000 before Christmas so I could give away that Chanel mirror. You guys, come on, you gotta help me. Help me, get everybody you know just to subscribe. They don't have to watch. Let's just get to 5,000 so I can give that mirror away. I've had it quite a long time. Okay, I'm gonna finish up here. I'll be back with my outfit of the day, and then we will be on the road, and then tomorrow I will be in Vegas. Okay. All right, so I'm ready, and Keith will be here any minute. So I'm just sporting the short hair and loving it, you guys. And I'm wearing this little kind of palazzo jumpsuit, little pants, and it's real stretchy and it's very comfortable and easy to get on and off when I have to use the restroom. But anyway, I always dress for comfort. So here's my cute little bag. I'm wearing my Louis Vuitton runaway sneakers, and I took the inserts out, the wedge inserts, and it makes the sneakers a lot lighter because they are heavy with those inserts, but I took them out, and I think this is cute. And then I'm going to bring this denim jacket on the plane with me. It's from Walmart. It's my favorite denim jacket, and I have expensive denim jackets, and this is my favorite. Time and true. I have a black one, a white one, a light denim one, and this color. And they're kind of stretchy, so I'm gonna take it on the plane with me. And I like to take things like this because I can tie it around my waist when I don't want to wear it and just take it off easily. So yeah, that's my look. This is my look for traveling day. And I'm loving these shoes. I haven't worn them in a long time, and I just found them heavy with the inserts. So if you have the runaway sneakers, just take the inserts out. It's so much better. You guys, this house is a mess. Whenever I get back, we're probably gonna have a cleaning day. I'm gonna need you guys to help me. But I'm so excited, and this little bag is perfect because I only have a card holder in it. I have just a few necessities and a tiny little case with some LIPPIE and my little Chanel mirror, and it's perfect. Keith's late, and I'm glad. And okay, so whoa. Okay, so it sure is dark in here. Anyway. There's Keith's suitcase. There's my Longchamp that Winnie gave to me. Thank you, Winnie. I love it. I've carried it like crazy. I don't know how I live without them. And then I just have a Toomey backpack, and I have my HERMÈS sandals in there, and my Golden Goose sneakers, and a few other things because I don't pack luxury in my suitcase. So anyway, yeah, because we're gonna check our luggage. But anyway, I'm so excited, you guys, to be going, and I'll get back in the swing of things like on a regular Vlogmas schedule. But I have a lot of stuff planned, and I'm sorry for today's video. It's kind of uneventful, but anyway, and here's my makeup look. I'm wearing a red lipstick. I brought some nudes with me, and just kind of a heavy eyeliner, and light on everything else. Okay, so anyway, you guys, I'm loving my short hair. I always tend to grow it out in the winter time. I always cut it in the winter time and grow it out in the summer, and that's really weird. And I was really tired of pulling it back all the time. And so now, yeah, I'm really liking the short hair. Do you guys like it, or do you like the long hair? Okay, so, all right, so I'm gonna close out this vlog. Keith will be here any minute. He's supposed to be here at 11. It's 10:59, you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me, and I will see you guys in Vegas. And remember, what happens in Vegas doesn't stay in Vegas. Because you'll be with me.